52 workstations double head press machine with high efficiency production which can produce 2 pieces cutting disc once. Production process is waxing. Press bottom mold. Put first net. Heat net, press net. Auto feeding materials. Leveling. Put second net. Put label and ring. Then cover transfer, press cover. Through hydraulic press and pick up disc automatically to get semi-finished cutting disc. One full auto machine can be upgraded by semi-auto machine adding all automatic devices, auto putting net, feeding materials, auto putting ring and label. To equip the efficiency of double head making machine, we generally recommend to add pile-up machine in production. Pile-up machine can help to save labor, save time to stack aluminum plate, separating net, and cutting disc on bunching shafts.